Prepare Printhead cleaning fluid, cleaning sponge stick, and dust-free cloth. Move the carriage away. Use the cleaning sponge stick dipped in cleaning fluid. Wipe the ink off the wiper. And wipe the ink off the cap top. Wipe over the cap top with a cleaning dust-free cloth. Return the carriage to its original position. Prepare Printhead moisturizing liquid and straw. Move the carriage away. Use a straw to pump in the Printhead moisturizing liquid. Drop into the cap top. And make sure it is completely filled. Return the carriage to its original position.